Hello friends, welcome to this current session on ETL Testing tutorial.com. Today we are going to work on this third topic, that is how do I install Informatica as ETL tool, Oracle as the database, and Tableau as the reporting tool. As well as I also want to add here how I install SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so let's jump on to this topic. Yeah, here. So the very first thing is how we can work with SQL. So that is explained in this module number 3 only. Right? In this it is explained how we can work on SQL Server, how we can install, how we can download that. Right? And this is, and after during this, like after completing the installation, we have worked with all of these kind of statements, these clauses, the constraints, the functions, the joins, SQL views and procedure. Everything is covered as part of this SQL basics. It is covered inside that. Okay, and the next thing that is important to notice here is how we can download and install ETL tool Informatica. But before working on Informatica, we need the database, that is Oracle, that I am using, right? And the complete installation of Oracle I have explained in this module number 9, and we'll see how to download and how to install that. I have also covered these things, how we can download and install Oracle as part of our free video, so that you can start working with the installation and onto your system. And then I have worked on how we can install. Firstly, we'll work on how we can download. That is the most important thing, how we can download it from the website, right, Informatica. And then I have explained how to install that, how to unzip the files, unzip all of the 4 files that we need to work with this Informatica server and the Informatica client, right? And this is about database and the tool Informatica. And the last important thing to be noticed here is how we can download and install the reporting tool Tableau. So Tableau is the one that I'm using as part of my this reporting tool that I have explained in module number this 15th and 16th. What all tools we have, I have already explained as part of my free videos. And then I have explained how we can install Tableau, download it from the Tableau public account, as there we have different versions of the Tableau available, like a free version or the paid one, 14 days trial versions available. And we have worked within Tableau public, that is available free of cost. They also provide you 15 GB of cloud, that on which you can store your viz, you can work, you can store your data. Everything is being covered as part of this modules for the reports. Okay, and this is about how we can install it. And one more important thing, if you don't want to install Informatica on your system, or if it is giving you some issues, you can work on the virtual machine also. You can demand that that virtual machine from our side. We'll provide you complete assistance. And the most important thing, if you are working with the installation, as I have just explained, that we are working with the free videos for that also. We are providing the free videos of the download and installation of Informatica and Oracle and SQL Server Management Studio, so that you'll have the complete platform available to you, right? As all of the videos are paid inside that, but as I said, we are providing some of the free videos, so that installation will become easy for you to work with. And the reporting tool Tableau, yeah, that's all for today. Under this topic, this is what I just want to cover. The next topic is on which all topics I cover within training, what is the flow, what will be the complete scenario for the training, right? So this is for this tutorial. Next we'll meet on the trainings within ETL.